Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary, Catherine Loves Cats, and I got some Facetory masks. So this is how they came to me. The other side has my address on it. I did cut this open, and when you open this up, it says, woohoo, your package is here. Now, I am an affiliate or an ambassador, whichever you want to call me, for Facetory. I also am for Dashing Diva, and if you use my links for those two companies, I get a couple of pennies off of your sale. I always, not always, but most of the time, most every video that you see in the description under here is all my information, how to reach me, all my links. These are the two links where I am an affiliate or ambassador for. They change up the name sometimes. And then also, like, you know, Fab Fit Fun, I have a link for that. You save some money on that. Boxycharm, those kinds of things. Ipsy. If you use those links, then I might get something. Like with Boxy, I get charms, but you get charms as well. Anyway, but with Facetory, every so often they give me a little bit of money, a couple of dollars, y'all, if people buy under me. Anyway, let's see what's in here. What happened is I haven't bought any masks from Facetory in a while because I've just been overloaded with masks and been buying them from Boxycharm and other places. And they sent me an email saying that I was going to lose some of my credits because when you buy from Facetory and Dashing Diva the same, you join. A lot of places you can join something and then you get points for what you buy. So I had some coupons, so I wanted to use some of them before they expire. So I got a few things, and it's just some of my favorite kind of things, and also some things to share with y'all. I have the winner from my Mask Monday from November 14th. Sometimes I forget about things, but I usually always, I eventually will remember. I did pick a winner from that. That was a couple of masks. If you remember, it was the diamonds. There were under eye, and there was a forehead mask. It was the, anyway, I had a couple masks with that. I don't remember what they were because they're waiting to go in the mail at my office. And the winner of that is Rhonda Holtz. So, Rhonda, I'll send those out to you. And let's see what I got from Facetory. They had, let's see, I got some of my favorites. And then I did get, just to try it, they had a little mystery mask bundle of 4 masks. And I believe, all right, these masks are some of my very favorite. These are different than most masks. This is the of course, all these are Facetory brand. These are 10 masks for $17.50. They also have 5 for a certain price. You can get just one, but these are $17.50 for 10, so that makes them $1.75 each. The Moon Velvet Moisturizing Cream Mask. That's the difference here. This is a sheet mask like every other sheet mask, you know, that fabric or whatever, you know, it's almost better than paper towels. But this, instead of having essence that is drippy, this actually has the Moon Velvet moisturizing cream. That Moon Velvet cream is so rich and wonderful, and it just feels so good. So this is what's in here. And I got a few because I like to send them out in giveaways and things like that, friend mail and whatever. So it's just one, it's a different kind of a mask, so it's just one that I like to share because we're so used to the ones with, like, you know, the water on it, the liquid essence. And then I got this package. This is 5 for $12.50. This is the Facetory Dream Garden, and this is the Camellia mask. There's 5 of them. And this is Nourishing and Strengthening. They have several masks that are in this Dream Garden style. There's 3 or 4 of them, and they do different things. This one is the one that's good for me. It's nourishing. It's infused with camellia flower oil. So it's more for normal to dry skin. So, and of course, Facetory, you know, the Facetory masks are from Korea. They're Korean masks, Korean beauty. So that's this. And then I got the little mystery bundle. It was $6. So it makes, there's 4, it said that there would be 4 masks, and it would just be, you know, they would just grab 4 and send them to me. So this is what I got. They didn't tell you what they were. So let's see what I got. Of course, they're all Facetory masks. This is Ace That Face collagen mask. I've had this mask before. It's very nice. Honestly, I can't say that I've ever had a Facetory mask that I didn't like. I really like all of them. This one is Light My Night Illuminating Sheet Mask. Now this one, I don't know if I've had this one before. I know it looks familiar, but that doesn't mean I've had it. Let's see. This is a brightening ingredient that helps even out the complexion. Okay, minimizing the appearance of dark spots, dullness, and post-acne scars. That's what I was thinking. This was like the acne line. It doesn't mean you have to have acne to use it, but it would be more, beneficial for somebody with that. Light My Night. Okay, and then they sent me the Everyday Pearl. That's a nice mask. I like that one. I love a pearl mask of any kind. I've had many sheet masks that have been pearl masks. They're just, Asian people use pearls in a lot of things, and they really are supposed to be very beneficial. Shine bright like a pearl, it says. And then I got this one, and I don't recall ever getting this one before, but again, if you look at their site, it's familiar to me. It is called Vitality Firming Mask, and it says with pomegranate. And it is, this antioxidant-rich ingredient helps slow down the signs of aging. So that's a nice one as well. So let's do a giveaway. I will give away one of the Moon Velvets. This is really different, y'all, if you've never tried it. I know several of you I've sent them to. Several of you have bought them or got them in other kinds of packages and have told me you really like them. They're very nice. So it's just different. It is a cream, like I said, instead of being a liquid. So it's just different. It's a nice one to do before you go to bed, because then that you can just, when you take the mask off, just, rub that moisturizer in and go to sleep. And we'll do one of the Camellia. It's storming here, if you're hearing that. And let's see, out of these, how about we do the Light My Night. If you don't have acne, let me know. I can get you something else. And I'm going to do one more. And since those others, let's see. Well, I can do the Everyday Pearl, because that's a nice one. Okay, how's that? We'll do all Facetory masks. I'll do 4, okay? So if you'd like to win these masks, say Moon, M-O-O-N. So what this is what I call a hidden treasure. This is not going to be announced in the title or anything, so please say the word moon in a sentence so that people that watch the video will know, and they can win from watching the video instead of just looking at the comments and seeing somebody say the word, okay? And I will announce the winner in, I'm not sure, let's say 10 days, just because that way we'll say 10 days from the time that I post this. So I will put the dates in the description. So anyway, like I was saying, in my description is all my information about what the boxes that I get and the links. And then near the bottom are the giveaway instructions and rules. So they're always in the description. So I'll put the dates that this will end in there, okay? And that's it. So thanks for coming by to see my Facetory. And I will put Rhonda Holt's picture at the end so that you can see her and that you can know who she is. I don't know if she has a picture, honestly. It might just be the letter R or the letter H. I don't remember. But I have a screenshot from the comment picker anyway. That's what I mean. Thank you for stopping by. And y'all take care. And count your blessings, y'all. Take care. Bye-bye.